In your lesson for section 2.2, you learned about functions and you learned how to evaluate functions. Part of your homework tonight is evaluating all different sorts of functions for different values. So you saw something like this in your homework where you had a function, say f of x equals x squared minus 3x, and then find f for negative 8. And in your lesson we saw that what you do is you put f, you leave a blank, you write out the rest of the function with blanks, and then you go ahead and you put in that negative 8 value. So for us today, we'll say f of negative 8 equals negative 8 squared is positive 64. Positive times a negative is negative. 3 times 8 is 24. 64 minus 24 is 40. So f of negative 8 equals 40. Okay, and that looks just like what you saw in your lesson. We can plug in things that are not just numbers. We can plug in variables as well. So that's what we want to make sure we look at for your homework here. You'll see things like number 11, number 13, 15, 17, all have things that are not just a number. So we're going to do two of them together. We're going to do 9 and 11. So you do the same thing. You write out the function with spaces. And then inside of that space is where you slip in this. So we'll put in t minus 2 and t minus 2. Once it's slipped in, you simplify. Again, you don't touch the left-hand side. That stays. But over here, we could distribute this 4. So we'll get 4t minus 8 and then minus 5. Then you combine any like terms. So for us, we have the negative 8, negative 5. So we could say that this is 4t minus 13. So we say p of t minus 2 is 4t minus 13. Okay, same process, except we just have a variable left in our answer, and that's okay because we plugged in a variable, so of course we'll have a variable out. Let's do 11. W space equals 4 space plus 2, and this time we're supposed to put in 3n. And now we'll simplify. Again, leave the left-hand side alone, but this side will distribute. So this becomes 12n plus 2. Nothing I can simplify for that. So this is just w of 3n equals 12n plus 2. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a help as you start looking at 13, 15, and 17 on your homework tonight.